Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a hair video because I've been getting a lot of requests on this hair that I have in, and it was cute. Everyone liked it, and now it looks a mess, and we need to go out and we need to fix it. So this is what my hair is looking like. Last night I went to sleep and I didn't wrap my hair up, so it's really frizzy and it looks like bedhead hair. But the hair that I have in, I've been getting a lot of questions about this hair. This hair is from DSoar hair. This is the Peruvian natural wave, and I have it in 26 inches. So this is the length on me. It goes to like my waist. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this hair. I think this is actually a quick weave. I've had this in for 2 weeks. First, it was straight. I wore it straight for probably almost a week. Yeah, I wore it straight for like a week, and then I wet it, washed it, co-washed it to wear it in its natural pattern, which is like a wave. I'll show you guys what it looks like straight and wet, but here we are. We're about to do this hair. We're doing some waves because I've just been wearing this hair deep waved because it's easier for my natural hair because I do have leave out, and there's still a little bit of wave in there, but we're going to refresh them because they're all out. So this is a quick quarantine, wear your hair to the living room style. So I'm just going to brush this hair out. I haven't brushed it since yesterday. So you want to make sure there's no snags. And I like wearing it waved because I can just, brush or comb my hair if I need to, and, it still looks nice and natural. So, yeah. Ooh. And the hair actually was a little bit longer. I did get it trimmed, and then after the stylist trimmed it, I did my quick weave, I came home and trimmed it a little bit more. So it might not even be even. But it's really long. This was supposed to be my vacation hair, but not even vacation hair. This was supposed to be my going on a trip hair. It was a short weekend trip, but thanks to coronavirus, it got canceled. So I figured, let me still install this hair because I ain't doing nothing else, child. Gotta be cute to sit in the living room and go to the grocery store. So, and I hold it down just because I feel like I brush hard, and ain't nobody trying to brush a track out. I already had to like re-glue 2 tracks because I brushed my hair so hard that I brushed it out, and I'm not gluing it no more. So yeah. Anywho, I feel like I separated more hair on this side than I did the other side. Alright. See, even this is cute. Like, I could totally go out with my hair like this. It just looks like old beachy waves. All I do is just take like random pieces of hair and wave it, but since I brushed it all out, I'm going to kind of take sections. That's fine. We're not going to deep wave all of the hair because it really just meshes together. So I'm using my handy dandy deep waver. This deep waver is so old, and I feel like it's about to die soon because I plugged it up the other day and the light didn't come on. I think it has like a short in it. So I'm going to have to find a new one soon, but I love this deep waver. I'll try to link something similar. So I'll try to find something similar to this one in case you guys want to deep wave your hair. It's so cute. It's just so easy. It's not like wand curls. It's just like deep waves. And this isn't a crimper. The space is a little more deep. I don't know how to explain it. Don't get me explaining it because I don't know, child. So yeah, we're just gonna deep wave this up. And the best thing about wearing extensions is I could put heat on this hair every day if I wanted to because it's not my hair. So my hair will hold the wave a little longer. And then I don't mind it being more relaxed at the top. It looks more natural that way anyway. So yeah, here's our waves so far. And then when I do get like closer to the top, I do like to use some type of protectant for my hair. So I use this. It's a 10 Miracle Shine spray. And I've been using this for years. Really love it. So I kind of just spray the top half where all my hair is, so that I know we're protected for when I get to doing like the top layer. Because although I don't go all the way up my hair, I do start a little bit lower and my hair is longer. So some of my hair is in there too. But if I was freshening this style up, I wouldn't put the heat so far up, because I don't want to add that heat to my hair. So that's why I need to hurry up and do some styles, because this quarantine life, some of y'all gonna walk out of it bald headed because we up here trying out all different hairstyles, and that ain't cute. Always better to start with hair that already has some type of curl or wave to it, because straight hair is just gonna take too long. You're literally gonna have to do like every piece. These days, I don't even like silky straight hair anymore. My hair needs some texture. Alright, so this is the first side, really cute. Alright, so here's the finished look. Really cute, really effortless, you guys. Like, if I'm just doing this and going out like 5 to 10 minutes, really quick. And a lot of times I don't even do as many pieces as I did for this video, but I want this to be really cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm loving this hair. I'm really thinking about just redoing this quick weave, because some of my tracks are slipping and we're not getting out the house anytime soon, and I want my hair to be cute. So I'm just gonna try to do my own quick weave next time. So let me know if you guys want me to do a video on that, because I will. Stay inside, y'all, and see you in the next one.